This video demonstrates how to set up escalation triggers within an AI agent to automate ticket creation based on message patterns and topics. It covers various options to customize when and how escalations occur to fit different use cases. First, go to AI Agent, click on Escalation. In the last of the screen, you will see Escalation Trigger. First, let's go with Always Escalate. So Always Escalate means whenever you use escalations, it will automatically escalate all messages regardless of their type. Whatever message you send in the channel, it will create tickets for all of the messages. Now for that, you need to check this checkbox. If you want Jira ticketing escalations or other apps tickets only to be created with no AI answer, you just have to uncheck this checkbox. If you want AI agent replies and tickets to be created always, you have to check both checkboxes. Now let's move forward to another feature, which is the specific message pattern. It will escalate when the user message matches. A configured keyword or the freezes check. Click this checkbox to enable this trigger. Now click on the message option. Here we have 6 patterns to trigger your escalation. The first option is if the request starts with certain keywords. You have to click on this radio button and add the text pattern. You can use any pattern you want. For example, if any message starts with test or file, assume a text says file a bug. In that case, it will automatically escalate all messages starting with the file keyword. Now just add file here and click Update. It will start working. Let's move forward to the second option available here. If the request does not start with certain keywords, assume your customer sends a message like file a bug. I am not able to log in. In that case, it will not trigger your escalation. The first option will trigger your escalation. Both are vice versa now. Let's move forward to another pattern. If the sentence has a few keywords related to this edit here, whatever you edit here, and if that keyword is available in the sentence, it will escalate. And create the ticket also. If you want the opposite behavior, you can choose this option. When that keyword is available in the sentence, it will not escalate this. This is the option where you can click on the Pick Emoji button, select any emoji you want, and whenever a message starts with this emoji, it will create a ticket. If you choose the last option, it will not escalate messages with this emoji, but it will escalate other messages. Click on the Update button to save this setting. Now another option is available. As always, escalate if you want the AI agent to reply with the escalation. You can turn this on or keep the checkbox unchecked if you don't want it. Now, let's move forward to the specific topic. Assume you want to escalate only when something is related to a specific topic, like here. You can see in investment advice, you can give some name and then put the description of that topic and add some sample phrases like, I want some investment advice. I want to invest 1 lakh rupees. I want to invest $20,000 in the stock market. You can put these details and then click on the Add button. It will save and start working for this specific topic. It will always escalate. Now we have another option, which is Match Ticket Type. In this option, escalation will only work when there is a request map. To a specific request type, it will work. Let's go to ticketing request types. You can see it will work like whenever someone says, I want to file a bug. It will pick this option. If we have another request type like task, subtask, or feature, then if someone says, I want to file a task, it will pick task automatically. If someone says, I want to file a feature request, it will automatically pick the feature request for the request type and create a ticket. Now, another option available here is No AI Response. Assume when this option escalation trigger is on, escalation will work when AI has no answer from the knowledge base. Assume you are asking a question which doesn't have any answer. In that case, it will automatically trigger this escalation and create a ticket. So these are all the options you can use according to your use case.